When you get the upgrade, you're going to get a nice full color display. Really easy to see. It's a huge upgrade from the Allen Bradley that's previously on this unit. And when it starts up, you have all your engine functions right there readily available. You can see everything, monitor it very easily. In the event there's a fault, this exclamation point will light up. You can go in there and easily determine what is faulty in your system, which makes it incredibly simple. Gets you back on the road real quick. When you press escape, you're in your main run screen. Here you have your automatic. From there you have control of your conveyors. You can turn them on or off. You can adjust them to go fast and slow by pressing up and down. So if one belts faster than the other, you can make them the same. You can also shut gates on and off from right here. It's better if it's in manual mode. You can see that. So from here we can turn all of our gates off in the event you're doing a cul-de-sac, or you only need to key half of your box, and you can turn them off from either direction. Just depends on what your needs are. If you're chipping and you're running a little light, you can adjust your PSY right here by just pushing these buttons and adjust it on the fly. If you're too light or too heavy, it's very easy to do. If you get a rock hang up, you just push and hold your gate clear button. That will open your gates all the way open. Then it will go back to the position you were originally chipping in. Once you're done with that, you can go over your additional functions depending on your chip spreader. You can swing. This has the ability to swing the console left or right. You can turn your augers on or off. Your hitch can be adjusted up or down. Your next screen will give you your pump pressures, which is really great for diagnostics. You can look right here, make sure everything's right where it's supposed to be. So you've got your working pump pressure for your steering and your metering, your left and right conveyor. This screen gives you your chip distance and your total. So when you're done chipping a particular section, you need to change that. You zero it out, you just hold these for 5 seconds. It will zero it back out, and can you start all over again. Same thing with the total distance. Over here you have your fault screens again. If you have a J1939 electronic engine, this can also capture your engine faults. This will help with diagnostic for that. Every chipper has the same passcode that will allow you to get into the calibration settings. So here we have our mix numbers. You can have up to 20 different mixes depending on the size of aggregates you'd like to use. What you'll do in the calibration mode is you'll set out a 3x3 tarp. So you'll run a pass over it and weigh it out, and whatever it weighs, you'll adjust your poundage with the plus or the minus. And that'll change your ratio right here. And that'll change the opening of the gates to allow you to get to your target PSY. That way you're most efficient with your rock. Then on the next screen, you have a couple more options. You have ability to adjust the back lighting on the display. You can reset your metering cylinder calibration. If your unit is equipped with a joystick, you have the ability to calibrate the joystick for your throttle control. And right here you have your fuel level, and you can adjust it to where you want it to read empty, so you never run out of fuel. And that concludes the display. You have the manual and auto modes. The biggest advantage to having this installed is usability. When you have an issue with the Allen Bradley, there's not too many people who can service that. With this unit, if you're having a failure, which is rare, and you can't figure it out, we have the ability to hook in a laptop, and we can see from here at the shop what your machine is doing, and we can help resolve the issue that way and get you on the road much faster. What you're seeing here are the modules that control the rate and gate now. There's 3 different modules. 2 for the rate system, 1 for the engine functions. An all brand new harness, all new wiring. It's really a really nice system. Included in the upgrade, you get a brand new valve for controlling the metering system. And this particular unit has augers. You have the ability to adjust the flow to those augers with those needle valves. Just a real nice, clean, tight system.